Since our chat last week, I can report back that I have upgraded my laptop using Windows 11 and I'm very happy. It's got a beautiful user interface which reminds me of the Mac operating system. All rounded corners. The only issue I do have is my Wi-Fi. Whenever I start up my laptop, I usually have to reboot it before it actually picks up the Wi-Fi. Now this might only be a hardware issue and not necessarily Windows 11. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel at the bottom, give it a thumbs up and also share it with friends. That would be great. And also press that bell button because then you will receive notifications every time I upload something new onto my channel. Today I'm not going to chat about Microsoft Excel, I'm going to chat about Microsoft PowerPoint. And there's an amazing new tool for free inside PowerPoint which gives you the capability of making screen recordings of your laptop or your PC. Now this is very useful. I use it a lot especially with my Facebook clients. I'm part of some of these Excel groups on Facebook, and they post some problems they might be having, and within a few seconds I use this tool and record my screens, and I even post it onto Facebook and they can immediately see the results. Now please, at the end of this video you will find a link to a video that I posted onto my channel that will show you how to use this screen recording in PowerPoint. Once again, press that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and also press the bell button.